Welcome back to my channel. Yan o. Oh,
Ang liit na.
Ha?
Are we all ready? We're going to the slides
Ah,
now.
naka-on na yan.
Why am I recording?
I-off mo. Dito yung off
Yeah,
niya.
I know, but why am I recording? Why me? I do not want to hold this while sliding.
Nasaan na yung bag mo, Lucas?
Right here.
Oh, pwede naman kung mag-slide ng pag ano.
Go. Oh, I should take off my slippers. I don't know. Oh, there's the guards. If you all want, we can go to the yellow slide. Oh, this is still recording, right?
Oh.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Milabat vlog. Today in this video, we will be attempting the water slide challenge. This has been attempted millions of times before, but me and Lawrence are too scared. Why? I don't know. We just have a fear of heights. I think I just outed myself here. I don't think I should have done that. Anyways, here we have the
Slides tayo sa adventure pool.
the hydrophobic Jacqueline Milabat and the aquaphobic. And then we have the crippled man, owner of Chinook's, a very famous restaurant with really good lumpia and ice cream. Chicken restaurant with better lumpia and ice cream than their chicken. Imagine that. I cannot believe it. How does it feel? This is an interview. How does it feel?
That feel good.
Oh, you have
Ice cream yummy.
You have a bit of a yeah. This
Ice
side.
cream good.
Yeah. Okay.
Chicken yummy.
Oh, take off your slippers. Okay, if we don't come back alive from this one chat. Why am I recording? You know, fine, I'll record. Lawrence, we're going to the slides. We're going to the slide. It's over, chat. It's over. It's actually over for us. Lawrence, do you have anything for the camera? Anything for the camera at all? This is an interview.
The camera, show us.
Any last words? Any last words? You get flinged out up there. Whee! Any last words? If we want, we can just go to the yellow one. The yellow one has walls.
I don't want.
No, come on, we're not pussies.
I'm gonna bomb.
Oh wait, no, this is recording. I should not be using swear words. Oops. Oh, my bad, bro. My bad, bruv. Let's go to the slides, bro.
No.
Let's go slide. No, we're going to the slides, bro. We're going to the slides, bro. Come on, man. Come on, we ain't. We're going to the slides. Huh? I'm trying. Lawrence, let's go to slides. We're going to slides, bro. Lawrence, come on. Come on. Come on. We're not scaredy cats. Come on, let's go. Where is the slides though? I don't actually know how we get into the slides. I'm going purple. Go purple, Lawrence. It has cover. Wait, safety rules. Feet first, lean back, hands behind neck, legs crossed at ankles.
My knee hurts in the
No video recording. We have to turn this off.
off daw.
Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya at mamuhunan. Sa kung saan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin ang gustong pasukin. Manood ka dito't paglawakin. Stratehiya sa negosyo, manood ka na agad. Mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification bell na may
Pag
bagong
naka-red,
pag-usapan.
naka-on to?
Winning trades, kasama kaagapay. Manood ka makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama kaagapay. Manood ka makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.
I'm having a hard time breathing.
Asenso ka sa buhay, tara dito sumabay.
the
Halika
waves.
na't sumakay. Winning
Yeah,
trades
so I'm
ang
just catching my
mahusay.
breath.
Winning trades
Because
ang
I have to
matibay.
jump just to
Winning
dodge the
trades,
wave.
kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka
Oh my
pakinig.
God,
Asenso
you
ka
got
sa
it.
buhay, tara dito sumabay. Halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay. Winning trades ang matibay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. What is that? What is that, bro? That is what is he did it wrong. He cannot move anymore. Go in. Go inside. Go inside.
Ellie, push back. Oh, wait.
Silang dalawa sa loob. Cannot fit. It's gonna blow.
Wait, but that's Uti underwater.
Okay. Baliktad. Oh, galing. Lakas. You want to sit down?
What? We did all the work.
Diyan ka kaya kasi exercise mo yung tuhod mo.
Gusto niya tumalon.
Ha?
Gusto ni Lawrence tumalon.
Kaya nga, gusto nga sana mag-dive. Akala ano, diving board yan. Hindi pa.
Ay, maganda pala dun, oh.
Rapid daw yun.
Yun nga.
Mabilis. Ayaw.
Nagganyan kami ni Alexi.
No torpedo.
No torpedo.
No torpedo. I'm too fat for torpedo.
Ang layo ko na sa paling. Kasi nandito yung wave eh.
You won't go flying. No cap. No cap. For real? For real? Yes, for real. Are you okay? Come on, please. I'm not comfortable. You are comfortable. No, Why did you wear earrings?
I always wear earrings.
Well, we're going to a water park.
Yeah. I want to be with Daddy.
Parang lumingon. Ito?
Ano?
Life jacket. Ah, how about Australia?
So, binubuhusan yung bata. Ganyan si Lawrence dati. Natutong maglangoy, ayaw na umahon. Where? Let's go slide! Come!
But after wave.
Fun.
After wave.
Yeah, after the wave.
After this, we'll go to McDonald's, right?
Oh,
See, we'll go to McDonald's.
for the dinner.
Have you tried the water slide before?
Many times.
In Adventure Cove.
You try the yellow one first. Then you will enjoy. I don't think purple one open. Ay, hindi pa open. Eh, meron na ata eh. Ayan o, ano ba rin sila? Yellow ba yan?
Ha? Bakit? Ang sarap pala may life jacket. Naka-ano lang naka-float. Pag na, hindi na pala nakatapak sa ano.
Hindi na. Paalam na ginagawa.
Pati to si Lucas, hindi na rin nakatapak. Ang cute eh, no? Ha? Off na natin.
Tubig lang pala.
Minsan. You like Michelin, kuya? Kaya Lucas, don't do that.
Bye.
Napituhan. Init.
Winning trades, kasamat ka agapay. Manood ka pakinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Para dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan. Ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya at mamuhunan. Sa kusan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin. Ang gustong pasukin, manood ka dito. Paglawak, strategiya sa negosyo, manood ka na agad. Mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification. Notification bell na may bagong pag-usapan. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.